James Clerk Maxwell was a Scottish mathematical physicist. His most notable achievement was to formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation, bringing together for the first time electricity, magnetism, and light. He was born on 13 June 1831. Having arrived on his first day of school, he earned the unkind nickname of Difty, which means stupid. He bearing it without complaint for many years. He wrote his first scientific paper about drawing mathematical curve at the age of 14. Maxwell contributed to paper for the transaction of the Royal Society of Edinburgh, which are equilibrium of elastic solids and rolling curves. By that time, the various laws of electricity and magnetism were becoming well understood. William Weber developed a theory linking Ampere's and Faraday's law. However, his theory was flawed as it required conditions that broke the law of energy conservation. Maxwell derived a mathematical description of Faraday's theory in the paper on Faraday's line of force. Maxwell used a fluid analogy to derive electromagnetic force field. Maxwell also helped in development of the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. After a period of focused on other topics, Maxwell returned to the problem of electromagnetism with a completely new theory.
Maxwell published the new theory in 4 parts between 1861 and 1862 in his landmark work on physical lines of force. Here Maxwell devised a mechanical model that could account for all the known electromagnetic phenomena. This gave a successful, though somewhat improbable analogy that could describe Ampere's, Faraday's, and Gauss laws. At this stage, the theory was successful but as yet incomplete, because it did not properly describe the flow through electrical capacitors. In later years, Oliver Heaviside championed the Faraday-Maxwell approach to electromagnetism and simplified Maxwell's original set of 20 equations to the 4 used today. Equation 1 shows that the electric field lines diverge from the areas of positive charge and converge onto the areas of negative charge. Equation 2 shows that the magnetic field lines curl to form closed loops. Equation 3 describes how a time-varying magnetic field will cause the electric field to curl around it. And equation 4 describes how a magnetic field curls around a time-varying electric field or an electric current flowing in a conductor. These equations can explain how your hair stands on end when you remove your nylon sweater or when they are close to a balloon, how a compass needle always points north, how a power station turbine can generate electricity, and how a loudspeaker can convert an electric current into sound. These equations was a great reason that in the Millennium Poll, a survey of 100 most prominent physicists, Maxwell was voted the third greatest physicist of all the time, behind only Newton and Einstein. Einstein described Maxwell's work as the most profound and most fruitful that physics has experienced since the time of Newton. And Maxwell's equations for electromagnetism have been called the second great unification in physics. Today, Maxwell's equations are the essential tool of electrical engineers used to design all electrical and electronic equipment, from cell phones to satellite, television to computers, and power station to washing machines.